Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to make your cooking experience smoother and your meals healthier. We're talking about the Imarku 12-inch non-stick frying pan with a lid. This isn't just any frying pan, it's a 5.5-quart deep skillet designed for family-sized meals and built with some impressive features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about that all-important non-stick performance. Imarku claims a durable non-stick surface thanks to a laser-etched finish combined with a premium ceramic coating. The key here, they say, is to use just a small amount of oil or butter for true non-stick results. This is great news for those of us looking to reduce our fat intake without sacrificing performance. Plus, it's PFOA and PTFE-free, which is a big win for healthy cooking. In my testing, eggs slid right out, and even a stubborn pancake released with ease after just a tiny bit of oil. It really does seem to hold up to its promise of lasting release meal after meal. Now, let's move on to how this pan actually cooks. The construction here is what Imarku calls full tri-ply bonded with a thick aluminum core. What this means for you is even heating. No more hot spots where certain parts of your food are overcooked while others are still raw. This even heat distribution is crucial for achieving a perfect sear on your steak, a beautiful sauté on your vegetables, or a gentle simmer for your sauces. I found that from delicate fish fillets to hearty stir-fries, everything cooked uniformly and beautifully. The build quality of this pan is also something to note. It's crafted from heavy-duty cast aluminum, giving it a substantial feel, but it's not overly heavy. The stainless steel handle is secured by dual rivets, which is a sign of good construction and durability. It feels balanced and secure in your hand, which is important when you're maneuvering a hot pan. The handle is ergonomically designed, and Imarku states it stays cool on the stovetop, which I can confirm it did during my cooking sessions. The tempered glass lid is also a nice touch, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without lifting it and losing precious heat and moisture. Compatibility is another area where this pan shines. It's designed to work with all cooktops, and that includes induction, gas, and glass ceramic stovetops. It's also oven-safe, which adds a whole new level of versatility. If you need to finish something in the oven after searing it on the stovetop, this pan can handle it. Cleanup is generally easy too, as it's dishwasher safe. However, as with most high-quality cookware, hand washing is recommended to maximize the lifespan of that non-stick coating. The versatility of this hybrid cooking pan is truly impressive. Imarku describes it as a kitchen workhorse, capable of handling a wide range of cooking techniques. Whether you're sautéing, stir-frying, searing, boiling, braising, deep-frying, or stewing, this pan is up to the task. With its 5.5-quart capacity, it's perfectly suited for large families, feeding anywhere from 5 to 8 people. This makes it an excellent gift for any home cook, man or woman, who appreciates a well-made, multifunctional piece of kitchen equipment. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the durable non-stick performance is excellent and free from harmful chemicals. The even heating due to the tri-ply construction ensures consistent cooking results. The substantial build quality and comfortable, cool-to-the-touch handle make it a pleasure to use. Its compatibility with all cooktops and oven-safe feature add incredible versatility, and the large family-sized capacity is a significant advantage for many households. Now for the cons, or rather, areas to consider. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for longevity, which is a common consideration for non-stick cookware. Also, the initial cost of a high-quality pan like this might be higher than a budget option, but you are definitely paying for durability and performance. In conclusion, the Imarku 12-inch non-stick frying pan with lid is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It combines healthy cooking features with excellent performance, robust build quality, and impressive versatility. If you're looking for a go-to pan that can handle family meals with ease and make your cooking experience more enjoyable, this is definitely one to consider. Link in the description.